welcome back to my channel. So how's everyone doing? It is a Monday morning and I'm getting ready for work, and I just thought that I should unbox my package that came in Saturday, because I didn't have a chance to do it yesterday. So this is when trying to think of when two pair of dunks came out, and then the pair of the purple quart ones came out. Yeah, I forgot. I'll look it up. But wow, even the box is cool. That's so nice. And then I got a size 6.5 in a woman's. So these are the Jordan 1s high. Wow, the box is so nice. Honestly, I thought I wasn't gonna like these in person, but they don't look bad. They actually look pretty nice. Wow. I like how it comes with the purple laces. This is like a shiny material on the outside. It's the same thing right here on the check. Same material right here as well. The inside is like a satin, which is pretty cool. It's different. Feels very, very nice. It has it on the tongue as well. Wow. I'm impressed. And then the whole outside and up the tongue is leather. Wow. I'm very impressed. Like I said, I really thought I wasn't going to be feeling these, but they did a good job. And it's like, there's more white, so you can probably wear a little bit more color with it, you know, since it's not that much purple going on. The ones I really want are the quart purples. I'll insert a picture, but you guys probably know how they look. I am in love with those. But honestly, what I really wanted from this drop, because they had dropped two other dunks like I said in the beginning, were the varsity maize and the varsity greens. Those varsity maize look so nice in person. So yeah, girl might have to go and cop a pair, because them shits, and it looks so cute on girls. Like, I wish I would have got them. So upsetting, you know, when you get the "you were not selected, you were not selected." Bro, what? Don't tell me I wasn't selected. Tell me when I'm selected, because that should be getting tight. But that's all for this video. If you were able to get any of the 3 shoes, please comment down below and let me know which ones you got. And if you were able to get these, let me know if you like them, or let me know if you would purchase these. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and like this video. And I'll see everyone in my next video.